Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Park and Reck Par Golf.
I'm Parker.
And I'm Recky. We are here today at South Hills in Hanover, Pennsylvania. We're going to be playing 9 two-man scramble.
See how low we can go?
See how low we can go. Let's get it. All right, hole number 1 here. It's par 4, about 369. We're playing from the blues, which is the tips here at South Hills on the north course.
Come back. Did it spit out?
I don't know. Hopefully we're not in the driving range. It was coming back right. If we got it over the trees, we're gonna be sitting pretty.
Yeah, if that got a good kick, we're in the fairway.
All right, got driver, swinging the old Sim 2. I like it, extra stiff shaft. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully get something in play.
Oh, that's going right to the green. Nice shot, Parker.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
All right, let's go make a bird.
We're playing Parker's ball.
We're about 80 from the pin. The pin location, it's in the back. We're kind of on a hill. We're gonna have to get it up there. I got a 54 degree in hand just to give me some loft, and I'm gonna try to get it up there.
Yeah, you thinned that one.
All right, shot it way deep, thinned it.
Yeah, a little behind the
All
green.
right, so here's my tee shot. Split the fairway somehow. Got a knockdown 60. See if I can't get this one close, get a birdie. Start the day off. Definitely hurt the ball. Got it. Oh.
What a bounce. What is that? Car path. Oh no. All right, we were a little far here. Backside of the green. I'm gonna try a flop shot here to get us on the green. The pin location is it's gonna be a really hard shot.
As we hit directly over the cart.
Yep. Marking job by me. That's
Uh-oh.
not what we want.
The duffer, I mean, we're putting, but hopefully I can get something a little better. Here.
Took a bad bounce and a roll.
Solid flop though.
Still solid.
All right, not the prettiest shot, but left us with an uphill double breaker, probably about 25 feet to save par. Not the way we wanted to start this day, but
See if I can give him a line here.
yeah, pretty sure I moved that tee, bro, but pretty sure I shot the wrong yardage. Oh, you gotta hit it.
Oh man. Hey, go tap that in for a bogey and let's actually play for real now.
All right, 1 over, third one. Make it better.
There it is. Let's go. We have another par 4 here. Bogey on 1. We're gonna try to fix things here and get things going here.
Yeah, bogey for a 2-man.
Pin location to the right. Trees all to the left. Kind of hit this one straight.
Ooh, hold off on that fade. Hold off on that fade.
I'm gonna take a 3-wood since we don't know if we're safe right now. Just get in play and hopefully make something happen.
It's gonna aim for those mountains straight ahead. Sounded good. I lost it. Look at the green.
Didn't make it to the green.
All right.
Going that way.
Let's go.
Right in the fairway.
All right, so didn't catch as much of the fairway as I thought, but hey, fairway's fairway. Got about 120 yards to a back pin location. Let's knock her close and redeem ourselves for that 1 over.
Yeah, man.
What are you hitting?
I have a gap in my hand. I got a little extra loft. I'm trying to get on it. Wind's blowing to the right. I'm gonna aim for the center of the green. Hopefully it'll roll over that way.
And let the hill do some work. You chunked her a little bit.
Just a smidge.
All right, here you
Terrible
go.
shot.
4-degree wedge, about 120 out. And take a little off of this one. Hopefully put it in center green, let it bleed down to that hole. See what we can do. Right at it. Ah, not enough. Took too much off. Oh well, easy chip. Let's chip it in for birdie.
All right, once again, we're playing Parker's ball. We're playing Parker golf today. We're just off the first on the fringe. We're gonna put something close there. We're gonna get a little tap in. If not, we're gonna put it in right now.
Not bad. Left us about a 4-footer. Let's see what.
No, you gotta hit it. See, told you we'd use you.
All right, we got about 6 feet to the hole. Let's try to knock this in here for par.
What
Yeah,
up,
baby, we got
bud?
par. Let's keep going.
You got a dog leg par 4. There's a little layup area. Can't really attack this one. There's a big pond. So, we'll take my hybrid, about 220. I think to the end of that.
Come left.
In the water. I never
Ah, splash.
All right, so with me plunking one in the water, and then he Brandon to carry the team
Parker's 3-wood
with my
in hand.
3-wood.
Try to put something in play here.
He's got a senior shaft, so we got to fix that. Oh, run, baby, run. You know?
All right, that may look bad, but where we gotta go, you'll see.
Yeah, that's fine.
I got my 23-degree hybrid here. See if we can get over there.
I'm trying. Let this thing run.
Just get us over that water, bud.
It's super thin.
Ooh. Slow down.
All right, that's where I came to rest after 2. Throw a little flop out there and hopefully get close for a par. Oh, you gotta go.
Oh man, tough break there.
All right, get us on there. It's a tough shot because that
Very tough shot. You got a
that
little-
flag is right next to the front of the green. Oh, what a kick. Get in the hole.
Let's go put that in.
All right, Parker's gonna go first here. Try to get our par. Break. That went straight, really surprisingly. Damn, that sounded good.
It's gotta hang in there straight edge.
I have no idea where it went.
And then I smacked it. I got driver in hand.
Oh, piped it. Oh, that.
All right, we're playing Brandon's ball, which I know he's super pumped about. About, I'd call it 210 uphill with the wind at our back. I'm gonna take a 5-iron and try to get her there. It's a tougher shot than it appears. Gonna come back, gonna hit it.
Looks like it went dead straight.
Well, I mean, it's par 5. All right, give me some freedom.
All right, shot 2 on the par 5. We got about 210 uphill. Ooh, that's gonna run real nice. Put us in good position. At least it's
We're in
par.
the fairway on top of the hill.
Yep, par 5 scoring opportunity.
All right, we're gonna play Recky's ball, my ball. We'd have the better angle with mine. We're about 60 out.
I had the wrong club.
Far's got the right club now, so let's do this.
We got a backstop. I'm trying to spin it through the hole. Oh, I chunked it. It's uphill, you idiot.
Chunked it.
All right, so here's Brandon trying to save me, the chunky monkey over here.
We're about 60 out. Try to get it up there, get us in a better position.
Oh, you pulled it, but I think you got it there. Oh, man. All right, well, we're playing yours again.
All right, this is our birdie look here on this par 5.
I'll try to be aggressive with it. Get her close.
Oh,
Little much.
baby. A little
Not
much.
bad. Wish I hadn't left us an uphill.
All right, so here's our birdie shot on the par 5.
Try to get a little bit closer than Parker did.
And leave us an uphill if you can. All right.
Women's did the same thing. All right, we're playing my ball again. Spin my hole, thank God.
Yeah.
This is for par. We got a little bit left to right. Gotta hit it.
Yeah, a little bit.
There it is.
Not the way I wanted to save par, especially on a par 5, but hey, take it. Got our first par 3 of the day. It's 181 yards back pin location, so I got a 6-iron because air's kind of humid. It's raining a little bit, so.
Rain just started here a little bit. We're 2 over on hole number 5. Oh, you're going right at it, dude.
You might need to club up, buddy.
Brandon had to go get a new club because I hit my 6 pretty well. Oh, you can see the rain kicking up. Hit my 6 pretty well, and I came up 10 yards short, so we'll see what happens. Oh, a little fade, but you hit it very well.
Hit that tree.
Yeah, I saw it hit the tree, and that's all I saw.
So I got through the tree apparently, right there on the fringe. Parker's on the green, but we're gonna pick his up.
Yeah, I'm a little
mine to
further.
get us a little bit closer.
Yeah.
Number 2 on par 3, it's officially started raining, so today just got actually a lot more fun.
We're gonna get a little wet here, but we'll see. Bounce right. Get in.
Too aggressive.
I thought that one had a chance, but I just hit it a little too hard. Move up. All right. I'm
the
liking.
same thing we did last hole.
Yep.
We're about 6-7 feet out. Get park of the line if I can't put this in.
Ooh.
We're in, baby, for par.
Natural par. Nice work, buddy.
All right, guys, we're 2 over through 5. We're currently on number 6. It's another par 4, about straight away. It's raining pretty good. I won't lie about that. Hopefully Park can get the boomstick out here and go put us in the fairway.
Brandon gonna lead us off this hole since he just got the natural par.
Yeah, we're on number 6 here. It's raining pretty good. Hopefully I can do the same shot I did on the par 5. Thought I heard something for a second there.
You hear raindrops.
See what we can do here.
That'll run. May not be the most beautiful, but that's good catch fairway. It did.
All right, we're on hole number 6 here. It's raining at the moment. We're 2 over. Trying to get something going here. Parker's got the boomstick. We went a little left.
Alright, so we got about 261 playing Brandon's ball again. Gets slick right now. Not good. Maybe we can get this 3-wood there.
Yep, we'll pull it together. Club slipped.
All right, so Brandon's gonna try and redeem us. I lost the club in my hand. Rain got me. He pulled it a little bit.
Alright, we got 150. On a third shot into a par 4. Playing so good today. Got an 8-iron into the wind. Hopefully I don't lose this one.
I don't know if you had enough club.
No.
Thing just got caught up in the wind.
Yeah. All right, we're in front of the
Playing
green.
so hot today.
Hey, but we're out here. We're having fun.
We're out having fun. That's what it's about. Nice shot.
Thank you.
All right, so I got us within, I don't know, probably a foot for a bogey. Let's see if he can't get us in for par. It would seem not, but it was a good shot. So all right, let's go tap this bogey in and be on our way to the next one.
Aim left or right edge. I got right edge. I'm gonna hit it confident uphill.
And I zoomed in really bad and missed to go in. We're not playing the best today. We apologize. We got a par 3 here. It's about 150 from where we're standing.
Put a fresh glove on. So I
Parker's
can
gonna
not
put a fresh
lose my
glove
golf
on.
club.
We're 3 over. Let's finish strong. Let's try to knock that out a little bit. I lost it in the bunker to the left.
That hits off the top of that hill and rolls down. That could be good. We might be playing from sand. Oh, you joined me in the sand, my friend.
First time coming out of the sand.
caught the lip. It's rolling. We're still on the green.
Throw a flop shot at this. Obviously, it rolls downhill, so I'm going to try to get way left with this.
All right, this is where his sand shot landed. Oh, it's gonna break right or left. That's a tap in.
Tap in, bogey.
Oh, so close.
All right, we've got tap in bogeys
Yep,
here.
tap in for bogues.
Tap it in.
And just give her the tap. Tap, tap, tap it in. Not the best golf, but get
4 over. Oh boy. We're on hole number 8 of this 9 hole at South Hills.
So this creek is very much in play. I think it's about, I don't want to lie to you. I think this creek is probably about 300. So it's in play downhill. Hopefully I can turn on this one and get it.
Straight down the center. It's got to go. Hopefully we don't hit that creek. I think we're either in it or just the front of it.
I got driver in hand. Probably not going to hit as far as Parker, but let's get something in the fairway.
All right, we're pretty far. I didn't catch as much of that one as I wanted to, but take my 3 hybrid and hopefully get this up there.
I got it right on top of that hill up there and it's still rolling. Nice shot.
All right, so I think I'm in play. Brandon's gonna throw another safety net out there, see if we can't get a better angle.
Out there, get the grass off.
Yeah, that too. Nice ball. Come back a little. You hit that so flush.
It went nowhere.
Did go nowhere. These conditions are tough today, everybody. Like this course is beating up on us.
We got 74 yards here on this par 5. Parker put us in a good spot. Let's see if we can get something close here, knock it in for birdie, get one of those bogeys back, put all the pressure on him. If he knocks this close, 1,000 likes. It's a little to the right. Have a nice bounce. We're sitting right there.
All right, I'm gonna do a choke down gap wedge shot here, get some loft on it. Parker's off to the right. I'm trying to get us more centered.
I think you crushed it. Oh, I'm just kidding. Oh, look at the spin. Nice shot.
All right, let's go.
And this is our look here for bird. Parker's gonna go first.
Just put it like 8 inches, maybe out to the right.
See if we can get one of those bogeys back. What a break. Oh, nice shot, man.
We're dancing.
Uh-oh. Oh, that stood a solid chance.
Go tap that in for par.
Yeah, go tap that in for par. What a par. Nice work.
All right, we're on this par 9. Par 9.
Yeah, start
Cut.
Let's vlog this one.
All right, we're on number 9 here at South Hills. We've had a pretty crappy day.
It's been a little tough.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll be playing better golf for sure. We promise you we're not this bad all the time. Give us a couple likes for our first video. And Parker's going to tee it up. He's going to get us going again. And hopefully we can end this with a birdie.
We're just oozing confidence after being, what, 4 over through 8 holes?
I think so.
Scramble. So, it's all good. Come out here, have fun. Get one, see what happens.
Golfing on a rainy day, baby. That sounded good.
It is good.
He drove that tree line. It's perfect. Oh, he went straight. Wow.
So it's a short fairway. Parker hit a nice shot right in the fairway. I'm gonna try to cut this dog leg right here. I tend to hit a fade anyway. See what happens.
Oh, that could be good. Did you hit the tree back there?
Parker's gonna get a range here. We're gonna take his tee shot. It was really pretty.
120 to the flag. Take a little gap wedge and try and knock it down a little bit. This is about a stock 130 club, but going uphill into a little wind. So let's take a little off this one and hopefully spin her back to the hole.
Look at that. A little short.
Just short, but good position.
All right, I got my gap in hand. Parker's just in front of the green. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer.
Put it in the hole. Pulled her. All right, no problem. Oh, man.
Wow.
I don't know what you just did, but
Not play golf.
it's all good.
All right, this is our birdie look here. Number 9, South Hills, North Course.
Gonna kick right off that slope.
Glad the rain stopped.
Yeah, heard that.
Roll,
I got
roll.
mine. I just didn't hit it.
All
See if I can
right.
get this a little bit closer here.
Oh, that's going to land in the hole. Just kidding. Nice spin on that.
A little bit past it, but we're gonna be putting it lower. It's our par look on number 9. I'm gonna take my ball, just get a little better shot.
Nice par.
So, we did not play very good golf today.
We did not.
Still came out, had fun. I think we ended up like, what, 4 over through 9?
4 over through 9.
It's not hateful.
I think it's our second time out since winter.
Yeah.
All we can say is we can try to get better. We know we need to work on. It was raining its butt off for a little bit.
Yeah, conditions were super tough.
Losing the club in the hands.
Yes.
Love this course. South Hills, Hanover, PA. 27 holes. So we could actually come back if you'd like to see this place again, if you would like to see other parts of it.
Correct.
We do actually have 8 holes at another course.
Our first time out.
Our first time out, and phone died. We made a rookie mistake. Well, I made a rookie mistake. I never hit the power button, and so we have 8 holes. If you guys would like to see that, let us know. I mean, we're gonna put it out anyway. We played a lot better that time. That was actually solos.
Yes.
We were playing solo there. What'd you like to say?
Just gotta come out and practice. I mean, 4 over, scramble style through 9 isn't the best, but I mean, we're getting out here, we're having fun, and that's what matters. That Oakmont experience was fun. I actually had my phone hit by a golf ball.
And we have a picture of his broken phone.
Why we don't have more footage from that one. But
Yeah, we had 18. We played the back 9 really well, actually. Pretty sure. What did you have?
I shot 81 total.
Yeah, and I shot an 89 total that day. And that was a terrible front nine on my part. I think I had a 48 front, and I think I had a 41 back. We were playing, man. Just we had no phone to, our equipment to record, so that is what it is.
Yep. But all right, thanks for joining us on Park and Reck Golf. Catch you next time.
Catch you next time, guys.